right, so here it is. This is the Galaxy S10 Plus, the ceramic black version, 512 gigabytes. I had to get this one to flex on everybody, of course. So here it is, just your typical basic box. Very dark, very black, because it is the ceramic black version after all. So let's open this thing up. Got your typical seal. This is the AT&T model, by the way. Cut that very carefully. Typical texting, driving is never okay, of course. Let's set the phone itself aside for now. I got a SIM card installed inside. Got some nice matte black accessories. I really like these black accessories to go with the black phone. I'm really a fan of black electronics, so this is great. This is your charging cable, of course, USB-C charging cable. It's packed very tightly, of course. Don't want that falling out. So here you go, your charging cable. AKG headphones. I was really a fan of these headphones in the previous Galaxies. They're kind of my go-to when I'm listening to podcasts or music. Yeah, so I really enjoy these. Of course, in the top, you've got your materials, I'm guessing, your instructions, your SIM ejection tool, of course. Yep. Pre-installed fingerprint screen protector. I mean, of course we're going to get rid of that because it's just a flimsy piece of plastic, basically. And likewise, you've got your, say it with me, the usual pamphlets and whatnot. But here is the phone. It is the ceramic black 512 gigabyte, like I said. It's got a nice silver trim. And here's the back. Of course, that ceramic finish looks gorgeous. Let me get rid of this sticker. Get rid of my IMEI information. Well, I have to take this off first, so I know you guys like this plastic peeling, so let's do that. Very nice. All right, let's get rid of the sticker. All right, so there it is. It's pretty reflective. The colors don't really shift on it like I've seen some of the prism black finishes kind of do. There's plastic around the sides and stuff. Let's get that off. Actually, let's take the front off first. Of course, this isn't the pre-installed screen protector. This is just your typical it can wait thing. Yep, I can see the screen protector pre-installed on there, so I'm going to go ahead and take it off. Because, like I said, it's not really much in the way of a screen protector. There we go. And it's gone. So yeah, very, very lovely. Hello. All right, so I'm going to set this up and I'll be right back with you guys.